Do you remember the Elantra that went more than 1,000,000 kilometers? Welcome back to Car Fact Friday.
For those who don't know, in 2020, a 2008 Elantra hit a historic milestone of 1,000,000 kilometers. Hyundai Canada donated this car for an amazing tribute restoration.
The entire dash was replaced as part of the restoration. This meant the odometer was reset in the restoration process. So they added a 1 in front of the new odometer just to highlight how far this vehicle has come.
It now pays homage to Hyundai's N Division with classic performance, blue paint, and red skirt accenting.
The more you know. Follow us for more Car Facts.